All right, where are we on discovery?
I believe I have all the discovery, Your Honor, and I brought a few things to the state's attention, and they would like additional time to review those items, and I have no objection to that.
All right, how old are you, sir?
34.
All right, Norma, set this for a plea deadline date in 45 days.
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. And I did bring my paralegal with me today. She'd want to introduce herself and say hi.
Don't be shy. I always tell people when you're with your, when you're with the attorney who's supervising you, can't be shy. You got to get in and mix it up.
No, she's a great judge. Like without her, I would have to spend hours downloading all of the wonderful discovery. And like bonus, she actually looks at everything. So it's great.
Oh, that's awesome. So how long have you been a paralegal?
For almost a year with Miss Mary.
Oh, so are you enjoying it?
Yes, very much. I just started working on her felony cases with her. She's been appointed them, and I've been waiting for this court to be appointed because I am a viewer. I do watch.
Oh, well, I tell you what, come in anytime, and if there's anything I can help you with, let me know.
Oh, I appreciate that. I just have a question on any
Sure.
Advice you have for a paralegal as somebody who is like support staff for the defense.
Well, number one, always ask questions, because if you're with a good attorney, they will welcome your questions. So there is no confusion. Make sure all dates, you remember all dates and everything. But I'm sure you're doing great. And she's a good attorney to have supervised. And then you have to ask yourself, okay, what are my plans? And then she may not like what I'm about to say right now. Do not be afraid to ask for a raise. You gotta know your worth.
I
right?
have a good system, Your Honor. I go up every 6 months.
Yeah,
So-
see, and that is awesome because some people don't. And so I always tell people in the workforce, don't be afraid to tell people, hey, this is my worth. This is what I'm doing. But you've got to make sure that you're bringing a lot to the table. And whenever you're under a good attorney, just make sure you're learning everything that they know.
Oh, she's great. Yeah, no, she's worked perfect because I make these videos, these like instructional videos, and I send them to her and she just figures it out.
Okay, see, that is awesome.
Yeah.
And it's, believe it or not, it's hard to find someone that you can mesh and work well with, but you really have a good attorney to have supervising you and everything.
Definitely, I'm very grateful for her
Yeah.
bringing me on.
It's great.
I would tell you, oh, and have you joined the paralegal group?
I have not.
Oh, join that group.
Is it on Facebook?
It's on Facebook, and I'm trying to recall.
I know I'm on one, but I'm not sure what
There's one in Bexar County, and they're very active. And it's always nice because then you can sit around and say, hey, how would you handle this or something along those lines. But it's always good to join different organizations and see, because they have CLEs sometimes too, and go to the CLEs. So, yeah.
I appreciate the advice.
Welcome. But again, you have a great attorney.
Trying to get her on track to law school at some point,
Oh.
Your Honor.
And now they have night school.
That's right. They do.
On St. Mary's?
At St. Mary's.
St.
Yeah, they
Mary's?
do.
Wow. I'll look into that definitely.
Okay, now I'm going to go on mute. Other law schools that have night classes. Do you know during COVID in Louisiana, you didn't have to take the bar exam.
Wow. I
You
didn't know.
graduated and you didn't have to take the bar because, COVID.
They do that in Wisconsin, but it's like there's no bar exam. If you graduate from an accredited law school in Wisconsin, then you're automatically, I think, licensed.
And I think that's be the case because I don't think you should be allowed to graduate if you haven't learned what you're supposed to learn.
Yeah, exactly.
Each college that I went to, as I was graduating, they started bringing in tests you had to take in order to graduate. And my whole thing is, I got A's across the board. If I don't know what I'm supposed to know, how dare you tell me I need to take another test? But yeah, start looking into law schools. And then when they have CLEs for attorneys, usually they have a section where paralegals can show up for free or either for a nominal fee. Try to go to some of those and see if you really like it. And then come in here anytime to see if you like it.
I appreciate
She
your
has the
time.
best trust.
We're currently in a trial.
You are? Okay.
Yes, we're in a murder trial. So if you want to come down, we start back up at 1:30.
Oh, that's me. That's a great experience to do that.
The defense attorney is actually David Garcia.
Okay.
And for the state, it's Lauren and Megan. So
It's a good trial.
yes.
All right. Well, thank you, Judge.
All right, thank
Appreciate
you.
your time. May I be excused?
Yes, you may.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
Great.
In an unexpected courtroom moment, a judge paused legal proceedings to encourage a young paralegal pursuing her career. Offering practical advice, career guidance, and confidence-building words, the judge emphasized learning, knowing your worth, and aiming for law school. The inspiring exchange revealed the human side of justice, beyond the courtroom's daily legal battles.